All right, what's happening, man? Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about a fragrance from Makin Scents, and it is Cherry Evolution. Now, Cherry Evolution is heavily inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. For starters, this is not a sponsored video. I want to get that out of the way with. I went to Makin Scents website myself, bought this with my own money. Going to give my personal take on this. I don't know anybody from Makin Scents. They are not affiliated, so this is a genuine opinion. I want to get that out of the way with for starters. Now, before we get into the fragrance, as always, guys, you know the drill. If it's your first time here, if you like the content, subscribe and ring the bell. All right, so Lost Cherry is a super expensive fragrance from Tom Ford. It's very nice stuff. I have never owned a bottle. I've had a decant, ran out of that a while ago, and never got a full bottle. If you go to eBay, you can find 3.4 ounce bottles for like $150 up. And on FragranceNet right now, I think a 3.4 ounce bottle is like $600+. So pretty expensive stuff, but it is a very nice fragrance. Now, I got Cherry Evolution along with many others when I made my first purchase from Makin Scents. I got a whole bunch of these $20 17 milliliter bottles. This was one of many that I got to try. I've worn this one 4 times now, and I gotta say, guys, I might have to call this a masterpiece. And I didn't want to overreact at first when I first wore it because I loved it, but like I said, I've worn it 4 times now. They did a good job. Let's go over the notes and stuff, and then we're going to get into the fragrance a little more. I'll put them up on the screen here, and this is from Makin Scents website. On the top, they've got black cherry, cherry liqueur, and bitter almond. In the mid, griotte syrup. That's a French word. I've heard people say griotte, but I think it's griotte syrup. Turkish rose and jasmine sambac. And in the base, Peru balm, which I thought that was balsam, but maybe it's the same thing. I could be wrong. Peru balm, roasted tonka beans, sandalwood, vetiver, and then they've got cedar and sandalwood listed as well. Now, I have the dry down on a test strip here. So this stuff, to simplify it, is a very sweet, like a black cherry smell. And it is like a syrupy cherry smell. But when you think of a syrupy smell, when people talk about that in fragrances, a lot of times it can come off used in like a negative way. Like this is a cheap, syrupy, sweet smell, like a playful, youthful smell. No, it's syrupy sweet, but it's definitely dialed down. It's not some over-the-top sweetness that's going to give you like a headache. Very, very pretty. That Turkish rose that's in here is very, very faint and very subtle. You do get a bit of a floral, kind of a Turkish rose smell. But this overall is a nice, like a creamy almond, beautiful bright black cherry, a little bit of sandalwood as well. It's a fantastic fragrance. If you like cherry, if you like Glanlom, EDL, EDP, you're going to love this stuff. I'm not saying they smell the same, but if you're somebody that enjoys like the cherry fragrance, you're going to really love this stuff. It's very subtle on my skin. I'm not saying it doesn't perform. I'm saying it's a very subtle DNA. It's not overwhelming in any direction. The balance here is really, really impressive. The balance of notes and what seems to be the quality of this fragrance is very high. This doesn't come off cheaply done. It comes off very well done. Like I said, I got this bottle for 20 bucks for a 17 milliliter bottle, and I feel like that is a steal. And at least on my skin, I can't guarantee anything for you, but at least on my skin, this smells very high quality. The cherry is very well done. It smells real. It doesn't smell like some fake synthetic crap. This smells like really nice cherry, like a jar of cherries, like the cherry juice out of that. Very nice. I really enjoy this stuff. Now, I've gotten about 6 hours out of this. 6 hours seems to be the sweet spot on everything from Makin Scents so far that I've worn off my skin. It's falling right around the 5 to 6 hour mark. Projection and stuff on this one was pretty good for the first like hour and a half. At around the hour and a half mark, it comes about 4 to 6 inches away from my skin. And then at around the 5 hour mark, 5.5 hour mark, it becomes a skin scent, but it's still detectable. It's not like you have to search very hard for it. Now this let me preface, this probably does last quite a bit longer on my skin, but it becomes a skin scent to where I can find it myself, but I don't think anyone else is going to really smell it at about the 6 hour mark. But 6 hours is plenty for me. And as for price, you can get this 17 milliliter bottle for $20. Like I said, you can step up to a 30 milliliter bottle for, I believe, $30. You can step up to a 50 milliliter bottle for $45. And then you could step up to a 100 milliliter bottle for $70, which is a damn good price considering Tom Ford goes from $150 to $650 depending on where you purchase it. Now, as for times that I would wear this personally, I think this would do really well spring, fall, and winter. I wouldn't wear it in the highest of heat, but it would do really well in the springtime. I think that it would be really bright and playful and alluring in the springtime. Fall and winter, it's a no-brainer. This to me is a evening to nighttime fragrance. Could be worn in the daytime, like I said, if it's not too hot, but I think this would really shine in the nighttime. It would really shine if you're going out with your buddies, or especially on a date night. I think this is very sweet and alluring, and women obviously you're going to love this stuff. Now, I haven't gone on any dates since I've owned this with anybody, but I assume they're going to enjoy this stuff. I don't know about dressing it up or dressing it down. I would, my built-in thought with this is that you'd want to dress it up, because when I think Tom Ford, I think like high-end, suit and tie maybe for this. But I don't know. I don't think you have to dress it up. I imagine whatever you wear, you're going to smell damn good. It wouldn't hurt to dress this up, though. And if you are somebody that wants to dress up and you're looking for something to wear, this would do very, very well. So you guys should probably check this one out, get your hands on it. I really, really recommend it. They did a fantastic job, and I just wanted to talk about it real quick and review it in case any of you were curious how they did. Hey, man, if you liked the video, drop me a like. It matters. It lets YouTube know the video is worthwhile, the channel is worthwhile. You liked it. Maybe they should show it to other people. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I don't know why you haven't already, but you should. Until next time, guys, I will leave you how I always leave you. Take your vitamins, hit the gym, always stay improving. That's very important. God bless. Be well. I'm out.